would you offer to a sweet tooth? A mini cake, a tiny Mars bar, or a matchbox-sized breakfast cereal? Choose your favorite yummy and change its size. How? Watch it in our new video. Dolly is eating the third portion of breakfast cereal. How can she eat so much? Apparently, she is very hungry in the morning. I get it, but she's making the fourth bowl right now. Dolly, stop before it's too late, or reduce your portions at least. Cover an empty matchbox with acrylic paint. Attach a cardboard strip bottom to it. Cut 2 mini pictures of a cornflakes package. Make a flap on one and a cut on the other, and attach it to the box with double-sided tape. Crumble cornflakes and put them into the box and close the flap. Dolly is contemplating what to do with this little box of breakfast cereal. The only thing she can do is to hide it in her pocket. It's great that she still has one more regular pack. Blondie didn't find it. Oops, I caught you! Calm down, Blondie. Dolly just likes the cornflakes. We arranged a real butterfly hunt, but these bright babies are so quick that they escape from our butterfly nets. Maybe we will be lucky to catch something interesting with our nets. A mini chocolate bar, for instance. Cut off a strip of wafer. Chop fried peanuts. Apply a layer of condensed milk to the wafer and put the peanuts on top. Cover it with melted milk chocolate. Put on the peanuts again and let it harden. Make a small lion chocolate bar package. Trim the edges. This baby is named Lion, but it is actually only a cub. And my friend found a small Nesquik wafer in her net. Cut off a piece of wafer with chocolate filling. Pour melted chocolate on top. Make a mini Nesquik wafer package and put in the mini wafer. Cut out the zigzag edges. The hunt is a success. We didn't get any butterflies, but the mini lion and Nesquik are a good substitution. They will make our day. Dolly comes to the kitchen looking for yummies as usual. I wonder who's left a teeny Reese's candy here. And not only the candy, someone's left a Thumbelina girl here. Hey, is it your candy? Melt milk chocolate. Pour it into a small mold, filling only half of it, and put it into a fridge. Crumble a wafer bar and mix it with condensed milk. Compact the filling into the mold and put the melted chocolate on top of it. Let it harden. Attach foil to the back of a printed out Reese's candy label. Put in the candies. Fasten the package. The teeny girl is so small. Its size is just the same as the candy. She gives Dolly the mini Reese's gladly. Help yourself. I've got Skittles, but my new friend, the teeny girl, sees the bright package. She wants Skittles too. Share it with me, please. But this huge package can squash her. I've got an idea. I will make mini Skittles for this mini girl. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out colored fondant. Cut out small circles with a cocktail straw. Shape them into Skittles drops with your fingers. Make candies of different colors. Double tape a mini Skittles package and put in the mini candies. Trim the edges. Dolly gives her new friend the mini Skittles. This tiny package is just of the right size for the tiny girl. Exactly what a fairy-sized girl needs. It's time to have a boost. How about coffee? I've got 2 Nescafe sticks, but the